Yes, Paul. Claimant's counsel, Paul. Claimant's counsel, Paul.
My lord. My lord, sir.
Yes, did you hear the oral application of
yes, my lord.
the counsel? Yes.
Application.
Sorry?
We are not objecting to the withdrawal of that application.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Then how about the second application? Have you been served?
We've just been served this morning in court.
Okay, yes.
My lord, is harmless.
Okay, so you are not opposed to same as well?
As the court pleases.
All right. Yes, the application of defendant's counsel file 26 February 2024 is hereby struck out.
As the court pleases.
So, Mohammed, proceed with the latest application.
My lord, we are grateful. Thank you, my lord.
All right.
My lord, before my lord is a motion on notice.
Yes.
Dated and filed on the 18th day of March 2024.
Yes.
My lord, the application being not opposed by the respondent, we kindly apply to move in terms, my lord.
All right, thank you.
Yes, my lord, we move in terms and urge my noble lord to grant same. You are most obliged.
So the orders are granted as prayed in the application of defendant's applicant dated and filed 18th March 2020. Yes, counsel, yes, where's the question? What about this one? Who filed this one? Hold on, counsel.
Yes, sir.
Statement of defense. No, let's go to this certified motion statement. I think. Sure. 26 February. Check the one filed on 26th. Where is the latest one? No, that is the one that he has withdrawn. It must be there. Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, I'm sure you have that application with you.
Yes, my lord. He's here with me, my lord.
That's the one for the 18th of March.
Yes, my lord. It was yesterday.
Oh, yes. So please, eventually you send it to us. I wanted you to confirm.
As God pleases, my lord.
So that we'll have, since the file is with us here.
As God pleases.
Yes, Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
My lord,
Yes.
in view of the circumstance,
Yes.
we humbly crave the indulgence of my lord
Yes.
to grant us an adjournment to enable us call the witness that was granted leave to call now.
Yes.
My lord, the reason is that we received the information about the witness that will come on the earlier application that was withdrawn.
Mm-hmm.
But unfortunately, my lord, day before yesterday in the evening, they informed us that the witness resigned her appointment and jet out of the country. So that necessitated us to fast track filing this application that was just granted.
Yes.
Our witness is not in court, so we humbly ask for a date to enable us to bring him, my lord. We are most obliged.
What dates do we have for Sokoto? And which other dates? That's the only date for Sokoto. We have for Sokoto matters, we have the 5th 05 of June, and we have 11th of June. So you may wish to agree on any of the dates. And if those dates are not convenient, then the court will suggest any other available dates to counsel.
My lord, sir.
Yes.
My lord.
Yes, Paul. Is that sorry? Okay, you are opposed to that application for adjournment,
sir.
All right, hold on. I want to put you on record. Hold on.
Jesus.
Hold on. Yes, Paul.
Yes, my lord, sir. My lord, we are worried from the attitude of the defense. My lord, the last adjourned date, they made similar application that they are.
Can you refer me to that date, please?
Yes, that is on the 26th of February, 2024.
Yes.
They said their witness is out of the country. That is that day they brought that same particular motion that was withdrawn and struck out today.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, my lord, the court even granted costs against the defendant, which they are yet to pay. My lord, today they are coming with similar application. My lord,
yes.
to my mind, is just a delay tactics for the defendant to delay this case. My lord, it is on record that this case has suffered series of adjournments at their instance.
The application you refer to then that you said was granted, that's the initial one. Is it not the same one that was, it wasn't granted then? Is it not the same one that was that is being withdrawn? That he withdrew?
Yes, my lord, on the 26th, when the case was come up for defense,
yes.
It was that you were served with that application.
You were served with that same application?
Yes, my lord.
Okay, yes.
That is the application filed on the 26th of February.
Yes.
The day the matter will come up for defense.
Yes. Okay, yes.
Just in case, my lord.
Yes.
And today, they filed another application yesterday. Meanwhile, up today for defense, my lord, sir.
Okay.
In this case, if they are not ready, you are paying the court to foreclose them. Let the court order for written addresses.
All right, I'm coming.
Yes. Paying the court.
Yes, Paul.
Yes, my lord, sir. My lord, to foreclose the defendant to prosecute their case. We are coming all the way from Sokoto. Matter was later today for defense.
You are coming all the way from Sokoto. Are you not in Sokoto?
Sorry, my lord, sir. We are coming all the way from Kebbi State.
From where?
Kebbi State.
Because you are in Sokoto. Huh?
You're asking the court to close them. Yes. My lord, in your likely.
Yes, counsel.
In your likely event that my lord will grant them another chance, my lord will be asking for a cost of 500,000. My lord, we came all the way from Sokoto. They wasted our time, wasted all our resources.
That's
application.
Okay.
You want to also remind the court?
Yes.
We want to also remind the court, my lord, that the defendant are still in contempt of court, sir.
All right.
Yes, my lord, sir. Thank you, sir. That is our application.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Yes, sir, counsel.
Yes, my lord. Based on the submission made by the defendant counsel, my lord, I just want to make some clarification.
Yes.
My lord, sincerely speaking, we are doing this case with diligence.
Yes.
And my lord, let me state this. I ought not to have stated it.
Yes.
We, in our statement of defense,
yes,
when we filed, we put defendant as our witness.
Yes.
Then the fourth defendant, my lord, eventually resigned from the services of the first defendant.
Yes.
So we did all what we could do to bring him. He was unable. And the last time we inquired about him, they informed us that he's not in the country. My lord, we became very vigilant by filing the earlier application that struck out. And later on, my lord, I'm speaking from the bar, on the 16th in the evening, their legal officer informed us that Adiola Akani, the third dependent, too, resigned her appointment. And that's what makes us to file this application as timelessly on the 18th. I came Sokoto yesterday to file this application, and even today I'm in Sokoto, my lord, to move this application. So there is nothing we are doing to delay this case. The only time that this case came up for defense is the last adjourned date. That is the first time this case come for defense. And the court awarded cost. And we are even processing the payment. From the information I just received from the legal officer, they made the payment this morning through our office account, which we are going to pay same to the dependent. But my lord, dependent is saying that we are in contempt of court. I even liaised with the office of the NDFOL that this payment was queried by the audit department of the first dependent, my lord, that they have not received any court order. I informed him that please they should help us with the copy of the court order so that they will perfect the payment. But my lord, they did not. We keep on pushing so that they will make this payment. I am in this court when their legal officer informed me that they effected the payment.
Okay, the legal officer of the first defendant.
Oh, the first defendant, my lord. He informed us that they made the payment this morning.
Okay, this
Sorry,
morning.
I'm on my feet, counsel. I'm on my feet. Allow me to ventilate. My
yes,
lord, we
so
have never deliberately intended to adjourn.
Okay, they made the payment this morning. There should be evidence of that payment. Yes.
My lord, the payment will be confirmed by the registry of this court before we left.
All right. Okay.
Yes, the payment will be confirmed before we left this court. So, my lord, we crave the indulgence of my lord to adjourn this case in the interest of justice and in the spirit of fair hearing, my lord. We are entitled to adequate time and facility, my lord, and this is the second adjournment that this court will grant us. The first one was granted, but not gratuitously. My lord enforced costs on us, but we are obliging. We are praying, my noble lord, to grant us this adjournment. At the next adjournment, if our witness is not in court, my lord, we foreclose the case. It's not our fault. As a council, we have to do what we can do within the bounds of the law. So if they did not bring the witness, it's not our fault. It is their fault. That is our humble clarification, my lord.
Yes, Paul, you've listened to defendant's counsel.
My lord, what I will add, my lord.
Yes.
We have not received any payment as regards to the cost.
Yes.
Our office has not informed me categorically. The registry of this court did not inform me about the costs. We have not received any cost. My lord, we still remain adamant.
Okay. All
Court
right.
should. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Ask the court, please.
Can you check the diary? Just note the available dates for me first. What dates are these? All right. So I listened to both counsel. The defendant's counsel, I believe, is speaking from the bar. And the court will give counsel that benefit of doubt.
As court
And
pleases.
the adjournment is at the discretion of the court. And
As
the
court
court is not to say that court is not unmindful of the antecedent of the case and consents of the claimant's counsel. But be
As-
that as it may, the matter shall be adjourned in the interest of justice.
As
As
the
court
court
pleases.
And this shall be the last adjournment at the instance of the defendant.
As court
As court
pleases.
Where defendants are not ready to proceed by the next hearing date, this
Yes,
court
ma'am.
shall not hesitate to do the needful in the circumstance.
As court pleases.
So meanwhile, the defendant's counsel is reminded that there is cost awarded against the defendant,
Lord.
and same
Yes, ma'am.
shall be paid before the next hearing date.
My Lord, it will be paid to them today by God willings.
All right.
Yes, my Lord. We are most grateful for your indulgence, my Lord.
All right.
Thank you.
So give me the available dates. Let's suggest to them. We have the 5th day of June, that's 05, 11, and 20. So you can check your diaries, 5, 11, 20, check your diaries, both counsel and agree on any of the dates.
My Lord, we have agreed to come on the 5th of June.
All right, thank you.
Sir.
So the case is further adjourned to 5th day of June, 2024 for continuation of hearing.
As court pleases. My lord, we are grateful, sir.
So defendants counsel to ensure that the witness is present in court by the next hearing date.
Certainly, my lord.
All right, thank you.
Yes. Yes, my lord. We are grateful, sir.
All right, so that will be all for Sokoto. Gidadu, I hope you are still with us.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, so that will be all for the day. Thank you.